So we're heading straight to priority. Thank you. Thank you. So that was our priority booking. Pretty straightforward.
Would they have to double check it inside the gates? I don't. It smells nice. It smells like flowers.
Oh, it does.
It smells like British flowers.
It does, yeah. Hey, look at this. I just turned to Winnie the Pooh. This, look at this. Sam? That's our tickets.
Oh.
Okay. You want to do it, don't you? Okay. Okay. I think I have that tricycle. How old am I?
It'll be fun to see this as opposed to
America?
yeah, America. Felt like different.
There's barely any comparison. And I thought America was good though. It was good.
But I mean, color. But yeah, the storyline's the same, so it'll be fun seeing how different it is now that you know what
Yeah.
Now, for a safe visit, be sure to stay in the seat with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the honey pot. Oh, and watch those little ones, all right? See you soon, I hope.
丸ってなんかある。力で体に触れるところまでジャンプさせてください。いってらっしゃい。ようこそ、ゲートが開きましたらご乗車です。荷物を避けてセーフティーバー、皆様の力でグッと下げてください。どうぞご乗車です。いってらっしゃい。お次でお待ちの方、次回出発です。
蜂蜜取るの？うちじゃ蜂蜜は取れないよ。取れるよ。こんなことになる。蜂蜜が大好きなせいだ。72年だったね。どっち
That's adorable.
ウキーティガ様走り使って着替えた僕が好きなのは都合のいいやつ気をつけろ気をつけろ気をつけろ気をつけろ気をつけろ
Ooh. Do we have a breakdown? I think we've got a breakdown.
Good night. Never mind.
Yep.
風の強い夜、夢を見ていたプーさんは風船と一緒に蜂蜜の木の上へ。
So how can you compare that to California?
こうして風の強い夜、夢を見ていたプーさんは風船と一緒に蜂
It's
蜜の
I
木の
thought
上へ。
you could decide.
プーさんはとても幸せでした。
So yeah, a little malfunction through this kitty poo.
右手をお進みください。Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I got it. I got it. Thank you. Sorry. don't want to go in the shop? I think that's the swap. I think that's the swap area.
Yeah.
Like that's what I think that lady was trying to say. Could do ride swap. Brooke, immediately try to book.
Yeah, okay, give me...
Hang on. Well, first try Premiere.
Okay, look, I was